Okay, last season, two running backs on the Cowboys football team ran four. It should be four combined. Should be an F right there. Let me pause and check my page real quick. Yep, it was a typo. Ran for a combined total of 1,550 yards. One ran four times as many yards as the other. How many yards did each player have? Okay, so I've got a total right here. So I'll just call them running back A and running back B. They didn't really tell me who they are. We'll call them Ezekiel Elliott and Beasley. Which Beasley's not really over. Anyway, I'll shut up. So we got. Oh, come on, zoom in. A plus B equals 1,550. Okay. Then they said one ran four times as many as the other. Four times as many as the other. So we'll make the A the one with more, and the B with one with less. So this is a comparison because I'm comparing A to B. So I need to do A equals B. And one is four times as much as the other. So if A has more, to make them even, I'm going to multiply B times 4. It's kind of like if that's A, B is less. Well, I have to multiply it by 4 in order to make them equal. Okay? Yes, it says one. You might think multiply the A, but whatever one's smaller, that's the one I need to multiply in this case. All right, so always think about it for a second. All right, and then we're supposed to use during substitution, which that's nice because since I know what A equals, I can plug it in right there. So that's 4B plus B equals 1550. So that's 4 plus 1 is 5. 5B equals 1550. And divide by 5, so B equals 15 divided by 5 is 3. 50 divided by 5 is 10. That's 310. So one of them was 310. And now that I know that one, we have A equals 4 times 310, which 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 10 is 40. So one of them's for 310 yards, the other one for 1,240 yards. There you go. Sally has a rectangular garden. The perimeter of her garden is 72 meters. The length of Sally's garden is 4 meters greater than 3 times the width. All right, so this one you actually have to know a geometry formula. So let's do length and width. Length and width. And so for perimeter, remember there's a perimeter equation. Perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. Okay? So I'm going to use that. So if I've got 2L plus 2W equals the perimeter, well, if they tell us the perimeter is 72 meters. Okay. They also say the length of the garden is 4 meters greater than 3 times the width. The nice one about this is because they use the word is, this just comes out nice. It's length equals 4 meters greater than 3 times the width. It just reads right off. So length equals 4 meters greater than 3 times the width. Find the length and width of Sally's garden. And so there we go. And again, we're supposed to use substitution, so this one's already geared up because L is solved for. So I can take that and plug it in for L. Pause the video and see if you can do it. Hopefully you pause the video, but we'll see. 2, 4 plus 3W plus 2W equals 72. That's 8 plus 6 plus 2 equals 72. If I subtract the 8, 72 minus 8 is 64. That's 8W. And 64 divided by 8 is, lo and behold, 8. So the width is 8. So if the width is 8, length equals 4 plus 3W. Which I need to put the W in there. I need to put the 8 in there. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 4 is 28. So there's your length. Her garden is 8 by 28. And if you want to add it up, that's fine. 28 plus 28 is 56. 56 plus 16 is, lo and behold, 72. You're right. The perimeter is 72. Cool.